chicken.
Everything went up. See, I got the green.
Yeah. 5 minutes. How much longer you think? Yeah, I'm thinking probably an hour. What's up, world? I'm just over here chilling. It's the next day. You know what I'm saying? So I'm over here chilling in my grandparents' crib, and we got Red on the TV. You know what I'm saying? He's been paused on the TV for about a good hour. You know what I'm saying? Just enjoying the 4th of July weekend with my people. You know what I'm saying? I'm laid back, I'm tired. Only got like 3 hours of sleep. You know? Then leave the club till like 5 in the morning. Yeah, so see y'all in a second. Yeah, you was aiming at the head, right? Yeah. Using the laser? Yeah, that laser off. I got sighted in. Yeah. Alright, y'all, this is my Palmetto State Armory. I haven't broken this gun in yet. This is my 2nd time shooting it. I love this gun though. 50 round magazine. Feel me? You know what I'm saying? Got the hard iron sights on it. Got the laser on there. You know. Still not finished working on it, but yeah. But it's a work in progress. Got the sling on there. I'm gonna change some of this stuff out. Alright, y'all, I just got me a fresh fade. As you can see, it's not Friday, but fresh fade Sunday. You feel me? Whatever day it is, it's a fresh fade day. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, this is my last day out here in Texarkana, man. So, whatever y'all catching this vlog, that's what y'all gonna see. I don't know how long I'll be here. Probably a couple more hours or so. But yeah. If this is the last bit you're gonna see, I mean, I appreciate y'all for tuning in. I mean, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. If you watching this on your TV, press up, go to the like button, tap it. You know what I'm saying? Hey, see y'all in a second.
Meanwhile.
What's up, world? It's your boy DRich, man. And really, this is gonna be the outro of the video. I don't know what I did before, but yeah, we back in D-Town. As you can see, hey, they got a whole background and everything going on. We lit, we live, and we local. So your boy DRich, man. I'm about to enjoy my night. You know, do whatever. I'm probably about to give me some Whataburger. No, this line looks too long. I'm over on Buckner Boulevard. But as you see, other people, they popping some firecrackers. It's lit in the city. This is actually my first time being in Dallas for the 4th of July weekend. So, yeah, man. If you haven't already, like I said, like, comment, subscribe, and hopefully y'all enjoy y'all day. And I appreciate y'all for tuning in for the video. See y'all later.